Hi guys, it's Neve here from Tully Nurseries and I love tree ferns. We have over 500 of them, believe it or not, potted at the moment in all different sizes, and because they grow only a couple of inches every year, they're actually quite slow growing. It is nice just to treat yourself or to invest in one, even 5-6 foot tall. These ones are fully fronded right now because we've had such mild winters, but actually the fronds on most of them, we've potted them, are starting to appear. I can just feel them coming up there at the moment. The important thing is to water the outside of the trunk, because this is the actual root system of the tree fern. Oh, here is an example. Thanks, Dag. Look at that, that's amazing. It's so cool. So there's so much attractive about tree ferns. You can put them on terraces, they don't take up much room and also give some height. So you can underplant them with other ferns or low growing perennials, or even for a look that's a little bit more exotic, you can include them in a Japanese planting scheme with Japanese maples.